Hi, I'm Blue. Welcome to Brushes and Blades, your go-to resource for all things Dungeons & Dragons and miniature painting. Welcome to our tutorial on creating a D&D character. D&D is a popular tabletop role-playing game that allows you to create a character and embark on adventures in a fantasy world. In this tutorial, we will provide you a step-by-step guide in creating a character in Dungeons & Dragons. Choose a race. The first step in creating a character is to choose a race. In Dungeons & Dragons, there are several different races to choose from, each with its own unique abilities and characteristics. Some of the most popular races include humans, elves, dwarves, halflings, and half-orcs. Each race has its own strengths and weaknesses, so it's important to choose a race that aligns with your playstyle. For example, if you want to be a powerful spellcaster, you may want to choose a race that provides bonuses to intelligence or wisdom. On the other hand, you may want to be a skilled warrior, so you might want to choose a race that provides bonuses to strength and dexterity. Choose a class. Once you've chosen your race, the next step is to choose a class. Classes represent the different roles that your character can play in the game. Some of the most popular classes include fighters, wizards, rogues, and clerics. Each class has its own unique abilities and playstyles. Fighters, for example, are skilled in combat and can use a variety of weapons and armor. Wizards, on the other hand, are skilled in magic and can cast spells to influence the world around them. Assign ability scores. Ability scores represent your character's natural talents and strengths. There are 6 ability scores in Dungeons & Dragons: strength, dexterity, constitution, intelligence, wisdom, and charisma. These scores are used to determine how well your character performs various actions in the game. You can assign these scores in a few different ways, but the most common method is to roll dice. Roll 4 6-sided dice and add up the 3 highest numbers to determine your score for each ability. Do this 6 times and get your scores for all 6 abilities. Alternatively, you can use the standard array method, which is actually my preferred method, especially for beginners. This method provides you with a predetermined set of ability scores that you can assign to your character. Choose a background. Your character background represents the past experiences and can provide additional benefits and abilities. There are many different backgrounds to choose from, such as criminal, noble, and sage. Your background can provide your character with additional skills and proficiencies, such as a proficiency in a particular language or tool. Choose equipment. The final step of creating your character is to choose your equipment. This includes weapons, armor, and other items your character might use on their adventures. The equipment you choose will depend on your class and your playstyle, as well as the amount of gold you have to spend. For example, if you're playing a fighter, you might want to choose a longsword and chainmail armor. If you're playing a wizard, you might want to choose a wand and a spellbook. Congratulations, you've now created your own D&D character. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun and enjoy the adventure. Don't worry too much about getting everything perfect. The beauty of D&D is that it's a collaborative storytelling experience and that anything can happen. So grab some friends, roll some dice, and let the adventures begin. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more content like this, and always remember, every stroke of the brush and swing of the blade adds character to your miniature.